Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can colorize your black and white photo. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to open up this website, my heritage Colorize. I'm just going to open it to colorize my photo. Okay, and just wait for a moment guys, that's loading. Okay, and here we need to upload our photo. We want to colorize, and for instance, I'm going to colorize this photo. Okay, and just wait for a moment. Okay. Okay, make sure you have logged into this website because we will be able to use the website's feature if we have logged in. Okay, and this is the result guys, and if you want to download it, you can click on download photo, and I'm going to choose the colorized photo. Okay, and now the photo has been downloaded and I'm going to open it. Alright, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to colorize our black and white photo for free. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.